I just built a fully functional web app in under 10 minutes. No code, no credit card, completely free, and I did it twice on two different tools to find out which one actually delivers the better result. The answer surprised me because the tool everyone says is paywalled actually did a better job on the free tier than the one marketed as free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use and why. If you are new here, this channel is Toolpulse AI. I test free AI tools so you don't waste time or money on the wrong ones. Every tool I show works in your browser completely free and works in India without a VPN. Today we're testing two of the most talked about no-code AI app builders, Replit and Lovable. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are these tools? Replit has been around since 2016. It started as a browser-based code editor, a way to write and run code without installing anything. Over the last 2 years, they added AI features that let you describe what you want to build and Replit generates the code for you. Lovable is newer. It launched in late 2023 and it's designed for one thing. You type what you want, it builds you a real working web application. No coding knowledge required at all. Both tools are targeting the same person, someone who has an idea for an app but doesn't know how to code. The question is, which one is actually free? Before we build anything, let's talk about pricing because this is where most comparisons get it wrong. Everyone says Replit is paywalled, and yes, the full AI plan starts at around $25 a month. But Replit's free tier still gives you a real coding environment, the ability to run apps, and enough AI features to build something complete if you know how to use it. Lovable markets itself as free 5 project generations per month, no credit card required. That sounds better on paper, but here's what nobody tells you. Free generations on Lovable are limited not just by count but by complexity. A simple app? Fine. Anything with real logic, multiple features, or iteration, you'll hit the ceiling fast and the output quality drops. Pricing alone doesn't tell you which tool is better, output quality does. So let's build the same app on both right now and let the results speak. Here's the prompt I'm using on both tools. Build me a task manager app for Indian freelancers. Add tasks with client name, set priority high, medium, low, mark tasks as done, show estimated earnings today in rupees, and add a calm done button. Same prompt, both tools, let's go. Replit first, typing the prompt now. Look at that. Replit is generating the actual code and you can see the live preview on the right updating in real time as it builds. The output is clean. Task cards, client name field, priority labels, high, medium, low estimated earnings in rupees, and there it is, the calm done button, fully functional. Now let me add one more feature I want, a dark mode toggle. That updated cleanly. The logic is solid, the UI held together, and the feature actually works the way you'd expect it to. This is the Replit experience. You see the code, you understand what's happening, and the output is precise. Now let's run the same prompt on Lovable. Same prompt, Lovable, free account, no credit card. You can see that right here. Lovable generates a visual preview, no code visible, which feels simpler. But let's look at what it actually built. The basic task layout is there, but look closely, the priority labels are generic, the rupee symbol formatting isn't quite right, and the calm down button styling is inconsistent. It's functional, but it feels rough compared to what Replit produced. Let me ask it to add a dark mode toggle, same follow-up prompt I used on Replit. The dark mode updated, but you can see the card layout shifted slightly and the priority color coding lost its contrast. Small things, but they add up. When you're building something you actually want to use or show someone, Lovable is fast to start, but when you push it with a specific detailed prompt, the output quality starts to show its limits on the free tier. So let's put both side by side and give you the honest verdict. Both apps, same prompt, side by side. Replit's output clean task cards, correct rupee formatting, working priority labels, dark mode that actually holds the layout together, precise, functional, exactly what the prompt asks for. Lovable's output faster to generate, easier to start, but the details aren't there. Layout inconsistencies, formatting gaps, follow up prompts that slightly broke what was already working. Here's the honest verdict: Lovable wins on simplicity and speed for a basic first build, but for a specific, detailed prompt with real Indian context requirements, Replit delivered better output quality on the free tier. If you just want to experiment and get something on screen fast, Lovable. If you want a real, usable app with precise features, Replit is the better tool, even on the free tier. For this test, Replit wins. If you want to try Replit yourself, the free tier link is in the description. No VPN required, works directly in your browser in India. Try the same India freelancer prompt I used, build it yourself, and see what you get. Drop a comment below. Did you get the same result I did, or did Lovable work better for your use case? I want to know. Every build is different. And if this video saved you time by cutting through the hype, subscribe. I do this every week, honest tests, no sponsorships. See you in the next one.